Welcome back, dear students. So in the previous video we studied about what is the meaning of royalty, definition of royalty, and also important terminologies in royalty. Today we will be starting with the problems, that is simple problems on royalties. One is how to calculate royalty and the other thing is how to prepare a table of analysis. So here let's start with how to calculate a royalty with a simple problem. So where is problem 1? Calculate the amount of royalty. So you need to calculate what is the royalty amount payable. For that purpose they are given rate of royalty is rupees 100 per book. So it is the 100 per book means whatever the copies you have sold. So per copy means per book, if you produce 100 book means for one book you need to pay 100 rupees. Who are the person who is payable. Next is, and also they are given the other particulars. In that they are given year, number of copies printed and closing stock for particular year. So in 2011 they are printed 2000 copies. So they are printed 2000 copies and at the end of the 2011 they found that 100 copies were unsold. So that unsold stock will be considered as closing stock, right? So right. Next in 2012 they are printed 3000 copies. So out of this 3000 copies there was a closing stock of 200. This is unsold goods or unsold copies. So now we need to calculate what is the royalty amount payable. So for that purpose the formula for calculating royalty is number of copies sold multiplied by rate of royalty. So whatever the number of copies that has been sold multiplied by what is the rate of royalty per book or per copy, we need to consider that. And also for sales, how to calculate sales. So sales is a production minus closing stock plus opening stock. So let's go on to calculate royalty amount. So here we will be writing year, number of copies sold, rate and amount of royalty. So in the year 2011, so we need to calculate what is the number of copies sold. So for that purpose we need to calculate sold is the sales. Production. What is the production in 2011? 2000 written. Closing stock. Yes, we have a closing stock of 1000 written. Plus opening stock. There is no opening stock of previous year. So previous year's closing stock will be present year's opening stock. We don't have. They are not given any information regarding previous year. Right. So there is no opening stock. So 1900 copies has been sold and they have also given what is the rate per book, that is 100. So 1900 multiplied by 100 will be 1,90,000. So royalty for 2011 is 1,90,000. So likewise coming on to 2012, what is the number of units printed or production? 3000 minus closing stock. They are given a closing stock of 2012. Yes, written. Plus what is this? One opening stock 100. So previous year's 100 closing stock will be taken for next year, right? That books will be taken for next year, right? So that is the opening stock. So the totally 2900 worth of sales has been made. So out of this value, what is the amount per book? 100. 2900 into 100, that will be 2,90,000 is the royalty payable for 2012. Totally from 2011 and 12, 4,80,000 is the amount of royalty payable. So hope you have understood with how to calculate the royalties. So next coming on to, we need to calculate this table of analysis. So what is this table of analysis means? We need to calculate what is the minimum rent. They will be giving the minimum rent. We need to see what is the short workings and how that short workings has been recouped, so or recovered, and what is the actual amount of royalties payable. For this purpose you need to follow a table for the purpose to know the amount of royalty payable. So here is a question number 2. So it states, prepare an analysis table from the following detail. They would have clearly mentioned for preparing the analysis table. So for this they are not given who is lesser and who is lessee, but they are given the minimum rent. So whatever it is, if it is the amount is loss or something, the minimum rent payable will be 20,000 per annum. Royalty payable is 5 per ton. So you can see it is a ton means we can understand that it is relating to some any kind of minerals extraction or any kind of whatever the things it might be. It is not relating to, every time the royalty will not be relating to only say certain copies of books sold or something. It might be relating to minerals also, patents, whatever it is. So why you can see it is related, royalty payable is 5 rupees per ton. Whatever the tons of extraction may be done, production may be done, on that ton, per ton will be paying 5 rupees royalty. Next year, short workings can be recovered during the first 3 years of the lease only. So whatever the short workings is there, so that short workings can be recovered during the first 3 years only. So here they are given 2013, 12, 13, 14, 15. So within first 3 years, whatever the short workings is there should be recovered. So they are given during the first 3 years only. That means here will be calculating the recoupments of the short workings under the fixed recoupment method. So there is 3 types of recoupment or recovering method. One is fixed recoupment method, next is floating recoupment method, and the last one is lifetime recoupment method. They are clearly mentioned during the first 3 years only. So after 3 years, no short workings can be recouped. So this purpose we can understand how that this is fixed recoupment method. They are given the production for the past 4 years, whatever the 4 years production they have, that is products for first 4 years. For in 2012 they have done, that is extraction or whatever it is, of 2000 ton. In 2013 it is 3000, and 2014 4000, in 2015 4500 tons. So we need to start on with table of analysis. So here is a table of how you need to write this thing. You need to remember this calculation of table of analysis. First you will be writing year, and then whatever the outputs, this both will be given in the question, and you need to calculate royalty. Minimum rent will be given, and you should see what is the surplus or whatever the surplus value of pay, anything surplus we have been incurred, and also short workings, and short workings, how you are recovered short working, and what is the payment made to the lessor. So let's see what is the number of years, 12, 13, 14 and 15 years written. So what is the output? So this is the output they are given, that is 2000, 3000, 4000, 4500. This is the outputs per year written. So we need to calculate the royalty next. How to calculate this royalty? In the question they are clearly stated that royalty payable rupees 5 per ton. So you can see royalty 5 per ton. 2000 multiplied by 5, 10,000. 3000 multiplied by 5, 15,000. 4000 multiplied by 5, 20,000. 4,500 multiplied by 5, 20,000, 22,500 is the royalty. So this is the exact royalty payable to the lessor or the owner. This much of value should be payable. So they are also given the minimum value that need to be paid, 20,000. So as you can see, you will be writing 20,000 for all the years. As you can see here, minimum rent is more than royalty. Minimum rent is more than royalty. At that time, the royalty, whatever the amount payable for the lessor will be the minimum rent. For example, the minimum rent is 10,000 and royalty is 20,000. The 20,000 will be payable for this person lessor. Now you can see minimum rent is more and royalty is less, will be paying the minimum rent. So surplus, there is no surplus, we have not gained any value, any profit in this. We have already, it is a short workings. 10,000 is the less you have incurred. Minimum rent you are paying 20,000. 10,000 you are paid extra, that is 10,000 is short workings. So you are not recovered anything in the first year. There is no surplus value for recovering. So nil. What is the payment amount? 20,000. So the next year the royalty is 15,000 and the minimum rent is 20,000. Right. So no surplus. You are not incurred any surplus profit. You are not paid any surplus value. So but there is a short workings. You are paid 20,000. 5,000 is the short workings, right? Yes, 5,000 is short workings. There is no recoverable. So if it is any surplus value only, you can recover. There is no surplus value, no recoverable. Payable you pay 20,000. So next year in the 2014, 20,000 is the royalty, 20,000 is the minimum rent. There is you can see here. Next, okay, you can see 20,000. no short working, no surplus you have incurred. So 20,000, 20,000, no surplus, no short workings. You are not paid extra, you are not earned extra. So here what is this short workings? Why is this irrecoverable written? So in the question they are clearly state short workings can be recovered during the first 3 years only. First year, second year and third year. So whatever this 15,000 cannot be recovered now. So third year it is completely done. So this 15,000 is irrecoverable now. So this is the fixed recoupment period. So even if you earn profit in 2015 of 2,500, you will not be able to recover this 15,000. So whatever the short workings is there. So even this 13th short workings also should be recovered in the 3 years only. So first 3 years only, whatever the loss, whatever the short workings you are incurred can be recovered only within first 3 years itself. Done. You have even understood. So 15,000 is irrecoverable. 10,000 plus 5,000. So 20,000 is the, you can take royalties payable is 20,000. So in 2015 you can see that is 22,500 is the royalty and 20,000 is the minimum rent. At this case you have extra royalty of 2,500, that is surplus, right? No short workings and not short working irrecoverable. What is the amount you will be paying now? Whichever is more, that is what is the royalty. Whatever the royalty amount you need to pay, that you need to pay. So if the royalty amount is this, you will be paying minimum rent. If the royalty amount is more, you will be paying whatever the royalty is payable, right? So in note you can see, as the recovered tenure is fixed for first 3 years of the lease agreement, the short workings is 10,000 plus 5,000 of first 2 years, 15,000, and as there is no surplus in third year, there is no surplus in the third year, the short workings cannot be recovered and will be transferred to profit and loss account of the lessee. Right, hope you understood with fixed recoupment method. So likewise I will be starting with the third problem with that is floating recoupment method. So now you understood with fixed recoupment method. Let's see how to do with floating recoupment method. So how to analyze it as a fixed or floating you will be getting in this problem. Prepare royalty analysis table from the following details. Minimum rent is 75,000 payable. Royalty payable is 5 per ton of the output. Short workings of the year can be recouped on the next 2 years out of excess royalty. So in the second problem they have said that the royalty can be recovered during first 3 years only, but here they said short workings of the year can be recouped on the next 2 years of the excess quality. So for example, the short workings is in the first year, means the first year short workings may be 1,000 rupees. This can be recovered in next 2 years. So next 2 years, whatever it is, second and third year. So in the second year we have 1,000 short workings. So these short workings of 1,000 can be recovered in third and fourth year. So in the third year we have 1,000 short workings. So that short workings can be recovered in fourth and fifth year. So this is just an example like this. But in case of fixed means in the first 3 years itself you need to recover the short workings. After that, even if you earn surplus, even if it is a short workings also, you can't recover that. But in case of floating recoupment, you can see in the next 2 years out of excess recouped on the next 2 years of the year profit. So in this term you can understand that is floating recoupment method. Let's see how the problem will be solved. So they are given the outputs for the first 5 years. Years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Outputs is 10,000, 12,200, 20,800, 25,500 and 35,500. This is just an example I gave, don't get confused. So let's start with the table of analysis. So here is the table of analysis for this question. So I have written the years and also the outputs. So next what you need to write? We need to write the royalties. So royalty at 5 per ton. 10,000 into 5, 50,000. 12,200 into 5, 61,000. 20,800 into 5, 1,04,000. 25,500 into 5, 1,27,500. 35,500 multiplied by 5, 1,77,500. So this is the royalty payable per year, right? So we need to also write down the minimum rent payable. There in the question they mentioned the minimum rent payable, that is 75,000. So in the question we understood that this is the floating recoupment method. So let's start with the next thing. So next is surplus. We need to see any surplus value we have earned or not. So in this question minimum rent is 75,000, but the royalty earned is only 50,000. So royalty payable earned is 50,000. So now what you will pay? You will pay whatever the amount minimum rent is there, you will be paying, right, minimum rent. So now you need to see what is the short working, what is the extra value you paid. That is 25,000 of extra you paid. Even though you have 50,000 but you have paid 75,000. 25,000 is the short workings, no surplus. And in the first year itself we don't even have surplus for the purpose of recovering. So no surplus, no short workings recovered. Short workings recovered, no short workings recovered. So you have paid 75,000. So in the second year you can see 61,000 is the royalty payable we have earned. But what happens, minimum rent is itself 75,000. So minimum rent is more than royalty, right? So what is the payable value now? 75,000. What is the amount you have paid extra? That is called as short workings, 14,000. No surplus, nothing. So next year you have 1,04,000, but the minimum rent is, what is the minimum rent? The minimum rent is 75,000. So what is the surplus value you have earned here? So 1,04,000 minus 75,000, 29,000 surplus you have earned here. You have earned 25,000 of 29,000 of surplus value. So there is no short workings, you have surplus you have earned. So by this surplus what you will be doing? So with this surplus value you need to calculate. So once again, 29,000 is a surplus, you have paid more, you have the more royalty now. So with this 29,000 surplus we need to recover this too. So according to the condition, the first year's short workings can be recovered in the next 2 years. So now I have the money, I can recover this 25,000. So then the next year's 14,000 I can recover in next 2 years, that is 3. So first year short workings can be recovered in second and third year, and the second year short workings can be recovered in third and fourth year if anything. So in the first year I have 25,000 of short workings, right? So in the third year I have 29,000 of surplus. What I will do, from this 25,000 I will pay, so from this 29,000 first I will pay 25,000 of first year short workings. What is it for? Still how many amount I will be there? In the 29,000 I will pay 25,000 rupees. So now the remaining of 4,000 will be there. So in this 29,000 there is still 4,000. So what I will do with this 4,000, I will pay for this second years also. So out of this 14,000 I will pay 4,000 rupees now. So what is the remaining value? 10,000. So that will be carried on for the next year, because second year's profit can be recovered in 3 and 4. Right? You can recover in third year also and fourth year also, but this first years I can't recover in this fourth year. I can recover only in second and third year. So what, 29,000 completely has been used for recovering the short workings, 29,000. So what is the amount payable is 27,000. So in the fourth year, as you can see, there is a royalty of 1,27,500. What is the minimum rent payable? 75,000. So what is the value of surplus? That is 1,27,500 minus 75,000. So what is the surplus I have earned? 52,500 is the surplus value. So more than minimum rent, 52,500. So remaining of 10,000 of there, right? Out of this 25,000 plus 14,000, so I have paid 29,000. Short workings, I have recovered 29,000. So remaining 10,000 was there. This 10,000. So in this rupees, in this value 25,500, I'll recover 10,000, 22,500 minus 10,000. So I have recovered the short workings of second year, right? So now there is no short workings irrecoverable. 25,000 is done, 14,000 is done, and all everything is recovered. So in this 52,500, 10,000 recovered, I still have worth of rupees. So in this 52,500 recovered 10,000, still I have 42,500 in this, right? So while payment for this person, I'll be paying 75,000 plus 42,500. 500. So that will be 1,17,500 is the payable value. But in the next year you can see, so there is a 1,77,500 is the royalty, minimum rent is 75,000. Surplus is 1,02,500, but the royalty payable is, what is the payment amount to lessor will be the royalty amount. That is not the minimum value. Whenever the minimum rent is less than royalty, that time the minimum rent is payable. So if the royalty is more than minimum rent, you first will see if there is any short workings to be recovered. After recovering all the short working, what is the amount remaining you will pay for this person, that is lessor. Hope you understood with the 3 problems in this table of analysis.